Public engagement in decision-making processes is often hindered by tedious survey methods, low participation rates, and accessibility barriers. Traditional survey requires users to manually fill out lengthy forms, leading to survey fatigue and disengagement. Many individuals, including those with disabilities or limited digital literacy, struggle to contribute effectively. As a result, valuable insight from the community remains underutilized and limiting data-driven improvements. Additionally, user-generated reviews on platforms like Google Reviews and Reddit posts contain rich, unstructured feedbacks, but cities and organizations lack efficient ways to analyze and extract meaningful insight from this data. For example, in this work, we focus on Calgary's park. Calgary's park received thousands of online reviews, but the city currently has no streamlined methods to automate analysis of this survey and use this feedback for park improvements. By failing to leverage modern AI-driven solutions, decision-makers miss critical public opinions, resulting in inefficient planning and resource allocations. There is a growing need for a more inclusive, engaging, and intelligent feedback system that makes survey effortless, enhances accessibility, and extract insights from public data to drive impactful changes.
So our solution is Engagehub, an AI-enhanced public engagement system with four main features. First, simplifying the participation process with the help of voice rather than typing and getting rid of barriers like hearing disabilities. Using hidden gems around the internet with AI to help city planners like the Google reviews, the Reddit post and the comments that are available, or even Twitter uh, posts, so that people AI can extract information and then use them for getting insights. An AI enhanced data analysis dashboard with different reports and a real-time chatbot to inform city planners and increase the public knowledge. So this is the website that we have been working on, and the team that is has been working on this is me, Sina Ziei, and my dear friend Sajjad Dadgar. So let's see the features that we have in real time. So one of the key features of our application is to facilitate the process of filling out different surveys so that the public engagement is more and government can basically get more feedback from the people. And as you can see, we have a simple survey from the government which is about Calgary parks, and as you can see it here, it's a long one. You need to fill a lot of different things. Some of them have multiple choice, some of them are like description based, and the thing is, we wanted to make this process faster, so we have this website. One of the pages is basically going to, if you paste the link here, then you would have different options. One of them is voice assisted. So in the voice assisted one, we can basically fill out the form. The question is going to be read for us, and then we can start recording, and then this text is this voice is going to be converted into text here. And we also have the normal filling option, in which it's basically the same idea as here, but it's going to be filled here. And the reason is that this is like a wrapper to the links and the forms that we have. So if we fill it here, the user fill it here, then we can also save the survey answer in our database, and then it's going to be filled automatically in the Google form, as an example. Or some other problems that we actually see usually in the surveys that are from, for example, the government of Alberta, is that we have a lot of different ticks, as you can see here, and it's about one of the problems that they want to solve, and the only way that they can people can connect and give their opinion is basically using this email or by a phone. So if we basically copy this and come back to this website here and paste it, it's going to basically give a summary of what this survey is about, and then we have the option of recording our voice, and then it's going to be again converted into text, and then we can basically submit it automatically. So it's going to send an email to the government, and it's basically going to make the process easier for the people who actually want to fill out the survey but don't have the time. Another feature that we have is that if we have data sets from the government and we want people to basically ask some questions about those data sets and get some information, we have this chatbot which has a rank system and it's connected to those data sets, and we can basically ask questions. For example, if we want to find the best park in Calgary, because our case study and the data set that we could scrape from the internet is from some of the reviews from Google reviews, um, real reviews from people, is about the parks in Calgary. And as we can see, it's telling us that Riley Park is the best one. So we can also ask some more questions like, give me some of the reviews about this park. And then we can wait, and then it's going to basically show us some of the different reviews that are about this Riley Park. And we have two different dashboards. One of them is about, again, the scraped reviews from the internet. And as you can see, majority of people are actually happy about the parks that we have in Calgary. So the average is like more than 4 actually. And based on the sentiment analysis that we have from the reviews themselves, the text, something around 89% of the people actually have positive reviews about the parks. And we have some options to basically filter different things here. And we also have a text analysis. Here we have a word cloud of different words, most important words that they have in their reviews. For example, it's a nice place, it's good for kids, and it's great, or whatsoever. I mean, we can see it. And we also have the word count as well, so that we can see what which words actually have been used more in the reviews. And we also have some more reviews, like we can have a basically an analysis of the sentiment versus the rating of the so the rating that the people are actually giving and the sentiment that we have actually found under text, and some other analysis dashboards. So these are all changeable. We can basically see different reviews, what different ratings have been used for different. So for example, if the rating is 1, what words are actually being used most? And again, it's about the data that we have scraped about the parks in Calgary. We also have this dashboard, which is about a survey. So as you remember, we had this survey here about Calgary parks, and it's this data is synthesis. So we have automated pipeline with the help of Gemini, in which we have basically created some different responses, and we are analyzing those different responses based on the things that Gemini is basically producing. So most of the reviews, it's telling us that it's coming from Beltline, the people who have been using to these parks, and different patterns that are available, or for example, how did they travel to these parks, public transport, driving, walking, cycling, and the different satisfaction rates. Again, these are all created with Gemini, but we have the dashboard. So we wanted to have some data so that we can actually show you how this dashboard actually is working. And as you can see, it's telling us that playgrounds is the most important amenity that people are actually using in the parks. And then the next one is the restrooms, which is of course understandable.